I moved to France in 2014, but like many others, I did not move here for teaching. I moved here for love. For love, honey child, for love.
From Jamaica to the world, it's just love. It's just love.
Wagwan everybody, big up on yourself. I'm excited for that. Anyway, you guys, wagwan, big up on yourself. Hello there, how are you guys doing? Bonjour tout le monde. And let's get right into the introduction. You see how my green big? My green always this big, so don't mind that. Anyway, you guys, my name is Melissa Delaveaus to be exact. Just jump straight into this video because I'm pretty excited to be here on Jam Fete, big up on yourself. I moved to France in 2014, but like many others, I did not move here for teaching. I moved here for love. For love, honey child, for love. Yes, I moved here in 2014 because I met the love of my life. That's my reason for moving here in France. And let me just tell you guys, let me just get it out of the way. When I moved here in 2014, I speak no French whatsoever. I speak French right now, but I don't speak it fluently. I speak it enough to be independent on my own, like to go to the doctor or to go shopping or to carry the kids somewhere. I'm enough, but it's a work in progress. I get better as time goes by. So that's one thing you guys should know about me. By the way, if you guys want to keep up with me on a daily to see what I'm up to on this side of the world, you guys can also check me out here on YouTube at the Delaveaus. That's THE space DELAVEAUS. Here on YouTube, I have a YouTube channel, and if you guys want to check me out on Instagram, it's the_Delaveaus. So it's THE_DELAVEAUS on Instagram. So when I moved here in 2014, I did not speak any French at all. I had to be solely relying on my husband for translation, and that was one of my biggest thing. Not knowing how to speak French when I move here. Let me tell you, if you're going to a foreign country for a different that speak a different language, don't go there without not knowing how to speak. But for me, my reason for moving here, I didn't care about the language. I didn't do any research on the country, on the language, no nothing. I just up and move for love. Love make you do crazy things, and I regret not even 1 second of that. Okay, girl. I've never tried frog legs and never will. I tried snail, it's pretty yummy. When it comes down to the French cheese, I am pretty picky. My favorite French expression is something rude. It's a curse word. Putain. 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 When the French go sing, or when something mess up, my husband always say putain. And I just pick it up. Putain. But we don't say it around the kids. So that's my favorite French expression at the moment. Don't use that word. I'm a realist. My life is pretty much an open book. So any funny thing or any interesting thing that happened along the way, I can't get anything off the top of my head right now. But if you guys want to follow my journey here in France with my family, myself, and your girl, keep it real, keep my patois 100 most of the time. My son also speak patois, and you don't know, subscribe to Jam Fete. Make sure you catch up and keep up with all the Jamaicans here in France. Love you guys, and hopefully you guys will find this channel informative. Support. Love you guys. Bye.
From Jamaica to the world.